Welcome everyone. Today's room tour video finds me in Fennimore, Wisconsin, small town of Fennimore. And we are at the Fenway House. This is an interesting hotel. It used to be the Silent Woman restaurant. I don't know what the upstairs was, but all the rooms on the upstairs, I'm not sure if there's an elevator. I didn't see one. I think you have to take the stairs. This is old school. It's so cool, really old fashioned. So let's take a look at one of the rooms. A lot of the rooms are open, so you can take a look at several of them. Here you see they have, I don't know what you'd call that stand, but they have a microwave, coffee maker. This has two. They look a little bigger than twin, but I'd say they're twin beds. And as you can see, there's modified air conditioning. There's not central air, but it doesn't matter, does it? And as we go into the bathroom, things are really clean. They're really nice. Let's have a regular shower, modern shower heads. I do not like this, everybody knows that, but that's what they have, is a liquid dispenser. Of the toilet, they have washcloths, hand towels, and bath towels. Small sink area with a mirror above it, and you can see the hair dryer right there. In this room, that's just a comforter. They haven't finished the beds yet. There's a desk, and a refrigerator, little side table, ice bucket there, a corner chair, and a TV. And over here in the corner, they have a full-size mirror. And it's just kind of resting against the wall. Between the beds, there's a lamp. When I look at the base, it looks to me like there are outlets, and I think it's not turning on because I didn't turn on the light switch. So a couple of outlets there. Overall, very simple, but very nice, clean room. I've already put things in my room, but there are so many rooms here and they're all wide open. So that's why I'm able to show you a few different rooms. And here's the hallway. And here they call it the coffee shop. So that's really nice, isn't it? Just kind of serve yourself. And here we're going to look at another room. This is room 106. They have a table in here with a couple of chairs. And there's a king-size bed in here. Refrigerator, microwave, TV, but look at this, a whirlpool tub. That is really nice. And this is a corner room, so you can look down on the little town of Fennimore. And they have a sink and a really large mirror outside the bathroom. And then the bathroom also has a shower. So not only does it have that whirlpool tub, it has a shower. What a very nice room. I would say if you're going to stay here, ask for room 106. It's a good one. It says, tell us where you're from. And it shows a map where you can put pins in it. Some people are from Alaska and Hawaii, and here's me down in Florida. I didn't put that pin in, but somebody did. Here's a lobby area. And look at this. Over here they have a player piano. I wonder if that's functioning. Little area here. Put together puzzles. Over here they have a bookcase. And look, they have record albums. And it looks like you can play a record album if you want. So this is the old Silent Woman restaurant. I don't know if it's operational anymore as a restaurant. And this looks like a bar, but it doesn't look like it's operating right now, but really nice. And there's the old sign from Silent Woman. So thanks for watching. As always, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you here next time on the Average Me channel.